Hey everyone! Welcome back to Getting Sexy Back, your go-to channel for all things health, fitness, and nutrition. Today, we're diving into the world of detox smoothies. Whether you're looking to kickstart your day or need a refreshing pick-me-up, these smoothies are packed with nutrients to help you feel your best. Let's get started! First up, we have the classic green detox smoothie. This one is perfect for boosting your energy and metabolism. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of spinach, half cup of cucumber, 1 green apple, half of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of water. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. This smoothie is rich in antioxidants and fiber, helping to cleanse your system and keep you full longer. Plus, it's super refreshing. Next, let's make a berry blast detox smoothie. This one's a favorite for its sweet and tangy flavor. You'll need 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, half of a banana, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of mint leaves. Blend everything together, and you've got a delicious smoothie that's high in vitamins and minerals. Berries are great for reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. Finally, let's bring some tropical vibes with our tropical detox smoothie. Here's what you'll need. Half cup of pineapple, half cup of mango, half cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of ginger, a pinch of turmeric. Blend until smooth. This smoothie is not only tasty, but also helps with digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties thanks to the ginger and turmeric. And there you have it, 3 delicious detox smoothies to help you feel rejuvenated and energized. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing recipes and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments which smoothie you'll be trying first. For more exciting recipes, click the link in the description for all your wellness tips and hacks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep getting sexy back. Hey there, sexy seekers! It's Anna Diamond here, and welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. Are you ready to take charge of your health in a way that feels manageable and fun? If so, I have something special for you. Introducing my new book, Daily Dose of Health, 30 Days, 30 Challenges. Let's transform your wellness journey, one small step at a time. In just 30 days, you can build lasting habits that will change your life. This book is packed with simple, achievable daily challenges, whether it's drinking more water, practicing mindfulness, or trying a new exercise. Each day presents a fresh task designed to fit seamlessly into your busy routine. No drastic changes needed. Why 30 days? Studies show that it takes around 21 to 30 days to form a new habit. Instead of overwhelming you with huge changes, I've broken it down into bite-sized tasks that are easy to incorporate. By the end of this month, whether you want to boost your energy, improve digestion, or simply feel better, you'll have developed a solid foundation for ongoing wellness. Each chapter of Daily Dose of Health offers a clear overview of the day's challenge, so you understand its importance. Step-by-step guidance to make the challenge super easy to follow. A list of benefits, keeping you motivated every step of the way. Plus, you'll find a reflection and progress tracker at the end of each day. This space allows you to jot down how you felt and what you learned, helping you stay accountable and aware of your growth. Curious about what kinds of challenges you'll tackle? Here are a few examples. Day 1, Hydration Challenge. Drink half your body weight in ounces of water. You'll be amazed at how energized you feel. Day 10, Mindful Eating. Take a moment to savor each bite. This simple act can improve digestion and enhance your enjoyment of food. Day 20, New Exercise. Try a fun workout like dancing or yoga to shake up your routine. These challenges are designed to fit into your lifestyle, so you can see real results without feeling overwhelmed. Are you ready to start your 30-day health journey with me? Let's build a healthier lifestyle together. Grab your copy of Daily Dose of Health, 30 Days, 30 Challenges, and begin transforming your well-being, one small challenge at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips and inspiration right here on Getting Sexy Back. Join our community, share your progress, and let's get sexy back together. Here's to your daily dose of health. Let's make these next 30 days a time of growth, joy, and transformation. Remember, small actions lead to big changes. I can't wait to see you thrive.